First off, I just want to thank Unity Through Creativity.
The Singing Tree Project invites the whole world to make paintings together, and Casa Forward shows this incredible level of collaboration.
All of Team Casa aspire to greater unity through an act of creativity, consciously co-creating a vision for the world that we want to live in. A world that's marked by trust, love, and community. Our dream, myself and my brothers and our family, is that this workplace would feel like that. Would be a place you enjoy coming, a place you feel secure, a place that you might even say feels like heaven, and when you're touched by it, you go back home and you continue massaging that environment through all of your spaces. Thank you all for living out those values, for embodying them, and for putting them on this beautiful mural. It was a lot of fun, and fun included tears, grieving, it included smiles and laughter, it included dancing, and it included all of us being artists and sharing our unique mark.
Who'd ever thought we'd be on the showroom floor playing with colors? You know what, there's car deals going on, and it's just overwhelming. Like, my breath is taken away. And as I watched the video, I saw my guys. And I know every word my guys told when they're doing their art, and it stuck with me. And it's just very overwhelming. And I'm grateful to be here, and I'm grateful to be a part of this.
Well, I have to say, I'm also overwhelmed today with what all of you have realized with this mural. It is an expression of what lives in you as a group of people who work together and make Casa what it is. All of you have a treasure in Casa and in each other, and it has been deeply touching to me personally. So thanks once again for the opportunity to work with you.
I believe that if we as a community continue to do this type of creative work, we'll all enjoy more love with one another and more meaning together in our lives. So thank you for being here today and celebrating this. Let's get some food and drinks and have some fun. Cheers. Yeah!